Ooh, are we here already? My goodness, that was fast. Just let me know if we're here for sure, because I'm not exactly sure. The chat's not updated yet, but it looks like we are here. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully, everybody had a good lunch on Friday. AMC Trapper says we are here. We're good to go. Clay, the trend line is a beaut. Holding strong. JB, man. Look at this trend line. For real, though. Look at this bad boy. All afternoon long. Oh, my gosh. Yes, $34.24 right now. I knew we would be going into the green. I was hoping we'd be going into the green, right? $34. We broke it. $34.22 at the moment. Shoot, man, if we just extend this. No, don't move it. Stay. If we just extend this bad boy. Yeah. Right into the close. We could hit a $34.80, $35 close today. That would be amazing. I know I'm on board with it. I hope you guys are on board with it too. Let's see. I had some chicken and broccoli, like chicken teriyaki and broccoli for lunch. What'd you guys have? Left mat for you and Cool Bacon Tron. Thank you for hanging out with us. You know we were talking about Brady and Tag earlier. John says the same. Same, you knew we were going to break 34, or same you also had chicken teriyaki and bacon or and broccoli for lunch? Same what, dude? Now I need to know. Now I'm concerned. Elizabeth. Oh, Elizabeth made it so much easier. Elizabeth C. That is such an easy name. Thank you, Elizabeth C. Lisa. Hello, Lisa. How are you? Hopefully good. Fish sticks. Fish sticks for lunch. All right, man. Good deal. Fish sticks for lunch is also good. Also love Matt Stream Future. John. Gotcha. So you must... Did you leave Matt's stream because you had a notification, or did you leave Matt's stream because you knew I was going to be live at 3? Good afternoon, party people. What is going on, Natalie? Natalie, I want to say thank you very much. Very much. I have to say thank you very much. And hopefully I see Shayna either later today or tomorrow. Appreciate you. Absolutely. Claybro chopping broccoli. I don't even know if that's what it is, but I was chopping broccoli. I was eating it for lunch. Kyle, man! Mahalo ho, Kyle. How you doing today? Let's close 35 today. Let's do it. 35, man. We got it. We got 35, dude. I'm on it. I'm on that 35 right here. Let's make that a little lower. 35 close. This is the goal. This is the goal right here. 35.01 is the goal. Boom! Big old line. Let's make it white. I like the end of day selection to be white. Let's do it. Yeah, we got a little bit of a drop right here, but we aren't scared. We're going 35 close, Kyle. I'm on. You're on. We're all going to do it. Become a bro. Oscar, absolutely, man. Knew you would be on at 3. Am Cool Bacon Tron. You're learning the schedule, aren't you? Interesting, Mark. That is an, does that make you, does that get rid of your appetite, or does that give you a bigger appetite? I wouldn't know. Did we ever get to the bottom of Clay's favorite kind of broccoli? Well, now it would be Joe. Now it would be Joe, because he sounds like a nice guy. Smoking my broccoli. That's a very interesting way to eat it. I've never smoked broccoli before. Made it. Pringleton is here. Good afternoon, Clay. Bro, we got a little bit of a green day. Joseph, yes, we do. Red candle looks like a symptom of returning borrowed shares to push down the price so Citadel can push more calls out of the money. Yeah, good luck to them, Velocity. We've got this today. We're going to be winning. We're going to be closing green. It's going to be nice. Over $34. Your chat is way more fun than Matt's. Dude, Kyle, the chat here is way more fun than Matt's. I mean, it honestly is. Nothing against Matt, because I do like Matt's live stream, man. I hang out there sometimes. But you guys are like, dude, I don't know. First string versus like 8th string. He only likes broccoli made by Drum and Lil Yachty. Who's Drum and Lil Yachty? Lil Yachty sounds cool, though. That dude sounds dangerous, man. Lil Yachty. Facts. What's up? What's up, bros? Neo Wolf, how you doing? Long live Ethiopia. How you doing? Hopefully you're having a good afternoon. Neo Wolf. What's up, Clay? What's up, Neo Wolf? What's going on? I'm going for a green day now. Dude, it's definitely a green day, dude. It's definitely a green day. Let's see what we got, Pringleton. It's going to be all right. We're bouncing off this level of support right here. Yesterday's close is where we're at. We're just 8 cents above it right now. It's getting a little bit dangerous. We're going to bounce off this bad boy. We're going to jump back up on that trend line, and we're going to close where Kyle said at $35 per share. I love it. Yo, man. Fatima, what's going on, rappers? Dude, what is this? Drum and Lil Yachty? Is that what their names are? Drum, Lil Yachty? What? What happened to just like Lil Bow Wow? Who's Lil Yachty? He's got a yacht? Or what's going on with that? I want 35, at least 34.50. Fatima, me too, man. Jay, yeah, he got some weird sense of humor. Who? Me? Oh, Matt's got Blue's Clues vibes. Oh, dude, we just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from. It's from our friend Natalie. It's a true story, though. True story. Oh, AMC Trapper about to bowl in the house. What's going on, Trapper? How'd your lunch go? Grab some Baba and AMC calls for next week. Nice, Jay. Also, a wee bit of GME for solidarity. There you go, Pringleton. I like it, man. Clay, bro, looks like the best hype and wingman. Long live Ethiopia. I got your back, dude. Got your back all day long. You want to make something happen? We can make it happen. Dude, I'll hype you up. I'll wing you all day. All the good rap names were used up by late 90s. Now we have like Lil Yachty, Young Boy, and Never Broke Again. Young Boy Never Broke Again? That sounds like a good rap name, man. I'm telling you right now. Welcome back. DD214, welcome back to you. Clay, bro, you is solid. Kyle, you solid, man. You solid. Mahalo ho. Mahalo ho. I hope I say that right, man. I don't want to be messing with your language. Hey, Clay, bro, what's up? Callum, how you doing, man? I need a wrench, Clay. J. Kong, dude. I know, you need a wrench, don't you? You guys gonna make me click my like button on my own chat here. I had to click the like button. Pringleton, yes! Hold on. Pringleton, thank you. Thank you very much, Pringleton, for the super sticker. I appreciate that. Man, I just love it. I love the vibe in here. It is amazing. I reckon 34.50. I'm going 35 close. Kyle said 35. We're going 35. Been sucking on helium during lunch hour, saying AMC to the moon in a very high voice. Feeling sick now. Johnstontown. It is all right, man. At least you're taking one for the team, dude. WTF trying to convince this Thai chick, and my Clay is back. Were you trying to convince this Thai chick of what, man? Did they have nice food there? What are you trying to convince her of? I don't even know. The one, the only, Ape Father in the house, baby. Ahoo! Yes, you've watched these videos before. So have I. Thank you, bro. Thank you, Pringleton. Absolutely, man. Listen, Pringleton, I hope the money comes in over the weekend. You get in, you make a sick killing on those extra shares. Brett, young boy never broke, but soon to be bankrupt. Oh, gosh. Some boom boom candles right now, Fatima. We got those boom booms coming in. We do have those boom booms coming in, don't we? Look at this 1 minute chart, guys. Oh yeah, bouncing off that yesterday's close. It is gonna be nice. We're gonna close green above 34. I'm hoping for 35 today. You think Citadel sold all their long positions? Doubt it. That's apparently the word that's going around. I highly doubt, Mike, that Citadel sold all of their long positions. I highly doubt that. I'm sneaking in chat for a bit while working. Hello, y'all. I'm cool, man. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, listen, if your boss catches it in here, I'll play it off, man. Like, you know, you're trying to get some marketing campaign going on for your company, and it's working out for you. You're convincing it's going to be a strategic partnership between you and I got your back, man. Don't you worry about hanging out in here. If your boss... You catch some shade from your boss, I'll take care of it, no problem. This is a business venture, man. We got you. You got me, I got you. Click the dislike button, I don't know if I got you anymore, but if you click the like button, I got you for sure. Clear, bro, one of my favorite live bands is also from North Carolina. If you ever get a chance, check out Corporate Fandango. Christopher, I've never heard of Corporate Fandango. It sounds like they might be a good one. Boom, boom, let's get back to my room. Remember that song? Boom, 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 boom. No, I don't know if I remember that song, Elizabeth. It sounds like a good one, though. Boom, boom, let's get back to my room. You sure that was a song, Elizabeth? Now you got me wondering. Trumpet joke guy. Trumpet joke guy, are you out there? We need to find you. If anyone's boss walks in, just post the name of your company and Clay can shout it out as a free ad campaign. You are in here working. Exactly, dude. Exactly. Brett, I got you guys, man. Oh, yeah, like all caps. Make it all caps like Lauren did with the Trump and joke guy, just so that I know what's going on. I'll shout it out, dude. It's just some ad campaign you guys are working on. Doing extra work on the side will make it look like you're taking on, extra projects and you're trying to better the company overall. Not just you. It's for the company. You guys got to make the company as much money as possible. I'll make you look like a star. You get a promotion. You become your boss's boss, and then everything works out. Elizabeth, how's your cankles? We need to know. How's your cankles, Elizabeth? Your ankle feeling okay right now? Claire's a youngster. He don't know the song, Mr. Beaver. I don't think I do, man. I don't think I do. Sounds like a good one, though. Boom, boom. Let's get back to my room. My daughter and wife be playing that song. Okay. My boss just fired me. Just thinks he can fire me. He just thinks he can fire me. Come on, Joseph. What does your boss know? Made it for an afternoon session. Hey, all. Mr. Anything Tech, man. Glad to have you here for an afternoon session. Lisa typically comes in the afternoon session. She does not show up for the morning session, and I don't know why. It's kind of disheartening. It's better. Thank you. Good. Did you take any Tylenol? What's that look like? Yeah, like button. All right, good. I'm my own boss, but you can still shout out Christopher walking, dog walking, and pet sitting. Christopher walking dog, walking, and pet sitting. Yeah, guys, if you live by Christopher and you want your dog or pet, like you got a pet bird, put a little leash on it, Christopher will walk that thing all day long. Fresh air, very reliable guy. I can't say if dogs like him or not, but at least he knows how to walk them. So check that out later. Everybody looks like a Backstreet Boys type of guy. Dude. You are my fire, the one desire, believe when I say, what do I say? That I want it that way, but we are two. Does that answer your question? I hope it does. Dogs hate me. It's alright, man. You can still walk them, Christopher. Clay, what's the number of contracts? I'm in the money at 34. John, I actually don't know how many contracts are going to be in the money at 34 right now. That's in sync is bye, man. Come on. AMC Trapper knows it. That answers the question to the guy that said I look like a Backstreet Boys type of guy. That was beautiful, dude. Pizza loving Trash Panda. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. It's my jam right there. It takes me back. Old school. Yeah. Howie. AJ. Nick. All my boys. All my boys. I don't sing well, but that was scary. Mr. R. Scary good. It's like, what the heck, man? Sign this guy up right now, right? Clay has nothing on Bread, Texas. Favorite boy band. 5 twigs, 10 berries. That sounds like an excellent name for a boy band. I would join that one for sure. Tell me why it ain't nothing but a heartache. Exactly, Neo Wolf. Exactly. Bet you have the posters above your bed. Well, only one way to find out. DD214. Ask Nat. What? No. She watches me sleep. All right, gotta go. Ape Nation, you all know to hodl and keep it real. See you in about an hour. I'm cool. Enjoy the rest of your day at work, man. Hopefully you're gonna have a good one. And we're gonna end green. Do not worry about that one. How old are you, Clay? You strike me as more as the Justin Bieber days. Oh, dude, Justin Bieber. Oh, that's like in the heart, man. That's like in the heart right there. Strike you as a Justin Bieber day. No, dude. I'm a Britney Spears and Backstreet Boys day. Come on now. 32, man. 32. How old are you? Keep your day job. I will, Joseph. I will. I perform my day job, hanging out with you. My night job, performing covers for Backstreet Boys at the local restaurants. Like Kenny Griffin transferred $14 billion to the Caymans. What does it mean for us? I guess it just means we're gonna have to go to the Caymans to get all our money. Love that song. Me too, Elizabeth. I'll be honest. That's all I know of that song. Neo Wolf. You got to do better, man. You got to do better. Clay's my age, 38. Nice, Carlos. I'm 32, man. I think we all know what Clay Bro's dream was growing up, and I will reach that dream one day, Lisa. I will reach that dream one day, and I will just be living my best life. Real question is, what's your cup stacking time? Mike, I don't know. What is a fast cup stacking time? 15 seconds? Is that a good one? Can I get it done in 15 seconds? I feel like that's really slow. 4 seconds? What a chart, Fatima. Isn't it beautiful, man? Isn't this beautiful? Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And yeah, in case you guys want to know, that Dragonfly dojis and doji candles don't always work out. Look, here was a decent one. We come down. This is a decent turning point, right? Okay, nice. This one here could have been a turning point. Wasn't. We had follow through. So keep that in mind. Candlesticks are not guaranteed. Darn it, I really did just play Backstreet Boy covers for my night job until stupid... Well, there you go, Christopher. There you go, man. I want to join your band. I want to join your band, dude. I want a green day. Tell me why we're going to close in the green. 34. Nothing but a 35. Okay, AMC, freaking squeeze! When Mansion and Lambo, let's go. Guys, look at this run, though. For real, look at this run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 minutes in a row. And if you guys don't believe in trend lines, like, look at today. Look at today, off that bounce. Look at this, like, look at the trend we had today. Overall, like, look at this. Wow. Bad boy was just following textbooks today. Goodness gracious. I love it. I know you do too. What is that mug, Clay? Lauren. It's a prescription for coffee by Dr. Harold Feelgood. See that fellow there? He's a good one. What do you do? What's it say? Drink 1 mug by mouth. Repeat until awake and alert. Gosh, it's difficult to read backwards. Daily grind. Oh, yeah. That's what it is. Looks like a 6-month chart. It does, dude, but it's a 1-minute chart, man. Shoot. Cardinals up to 248. What is Cardinals? Is that like McDonald's? Cardinals is up to 240. Dude, 248 is pretty nice. It was like $1.20 3 weeks ago. Dr. Harry Feelgood, middle name Knuckles. Oh God, man. I really like Brett, man. I don't even know what to say. I just really like Brett. Natalie, have you seen the movie War Dogs? Yes. I know you said I know you were asking Natalie, but we watched it together. She's seen it. Was Johan here to see this trend line in action? I have not. JB, man. JB. I love the fact that you asked if Johan was here. I have not seen Johan, but I guarantee. Does anybody know? This is going to show how well you know the chat. Does anybody know what Johan would say if he saw that trend line in action right now? Throw it out there. First person to throw it out there. I need to see it. Does anybody know what Johan would say if I put a trend line on the chart? We need to know. We need to know. Clay, head of SEC Gary Ginsburg just talked on TV about nearly half of trades routing through dark pools, bypassing lit exchanges to those internalizers. He stated will be one of his top priorities. Okay. I don't really have a problem with dark pools, though. I don't like them, but I don't have a problem. They're reported after the trade takes place, not before the trade takes place. I would rather see the trade take, everybody see it at the same time. Wake me up when September ends. No, that is not what Johan would say. Natalie, he's in it. One of the characters playing an acoustic cover of Don't Fear the Reaper, and they zoom out to him playing in a retirement home. I don't know what we're talking about now. I missed that one. But yes, but in Swedish. Oh, guys, nobody took me up on the Johan thing. Johan would have said steeper. He would have said steeper. I don't know if I've ever laughed so hard at a movie scene. I must have missed the part in War Dogs with that part of the movie scene because I don't know what we're talking about, but I can't remember laughing that hard at it. 35 equals max pain for shorts. Let's go, Mike Johnson. $35 close then. Let's get it. Fuse bag. That sounded great. Thank you, Phineas. Thank you. Like my father's come to pass. 20 years has gone so fast. Wake me up when the short squeeze ends. Absolutely, man. We will. Megalotone, what's up, Brett? I like Brett. More importantly, I like the stream. Thank you for clicking the like button on the stream. All of you should do just that. He would have said steeper. DD214. Yes, he would have said steeper, man. Worst place to play that song. I want my name up on the screen. 125684888. You have to subscribe. Where am I at here? You have to subscribe to the channel and get your name there, or you have to become a green name and get your name there. This one will last longer. I'm telling you, man. This one will last longer. 11 Simon, where have you been? Lauren needs to know. Clay, I gotta know, man. Was the milk from last night's video? What was the milk from last night's video that was worth over 1 million chocolate milk? 1%, 2% almond? What? I need answers. Dude, it was whole milk. Whole milk, man. Red Cap. It was Red Cap. No specific brand, I guess. Do all brands use Red Cap for the same thing? I don't know. It was whole milk, dude. Just straight up white whole milk. It was the only gallon left. The only gallon, Sam. It was the only gallon left. And they would not sell it. I'm glad. Dude, you pay attention, man. I love it. Whole gang, Moas is close. Jose, it is, man. It is definitely close. Love the red, love that Red Cap. There you go, man. You gotta love that Red Cap. Johan has a tendency to write, but I never block him because he's not English. Come on, Johan. Why you gotta write that stuff, Johan? You could have gotten so many cows for the price of that gallon. You could have, dude, but who wants to go out there and milk their own milk? I don't want to milk my own milk. I don't even like milk. Be honest with you. I don't know why I used milk as an example, because I think people actually buy it, but I don't even like milk. So you got me. You make a video on why it's not good day trading AMC and why you shouldn't use margin trading AMC. Yeah, I can make a video, Nathaniel. I could actually make a video on why you shouldn't day trade AMC. I like to talk about that because I don't like people day trading AMC. So I definitely could do a video on that one. What's up, Clay fam? What's up, Miguel? Tendy's about ready to come out the oven. Oh, yes, Hayden. Tendy's about ready to come out the oven right now. Look at this beautiful afternoon we are having. Guys, I don't know, man. I think Kyle's on to something. I think Kyle's calling this $35 close. We're going to follow this trend line and bust through it and close right here at $35. What do you guys think? You guys want to get your guesses out for the close right now? I love milk, not going to lie. Neil Wolf, I do not like milk. For $1 million, you could have probably found some weird kinky cow that just loves. But, dude, for $1 million, I would need to find a cow that would milk itself. I think I could find a cow that would milk itself for $1 million. I don't know. I don't know much about cows. Anybody ever milk a cow in the chat? I've never milked a cow. Anybody milk a cow in the chat, and then you could let me know if there's any such thing as a self-milking cow. Because I feel like with $1 million, you would need somebody to do it. Milk is nasty. Every day, Natalie and I, we get along a little bit better and a little bit better. Milk is nasty. She doesn't like the fact that I don't talk about, or she likes the fact that I don't talk about sports. It's just one step closer every day. All right, Clay, bro, keep it going, man. All right, send to dim the lights and light some home goods candles when I milk my cow. My cow is particular. Yeah, dude, a lot of cows are for some reason. I don't understand why. God, I don't understand why I continue on with some of these. I don't understand why I continue reading some of these chats. Yeah, dude, it's dangerous, man. Milking cows is dangerous. You get kicked and it'd just be bad news. I have oat milk. Oat milk, Lauren, yes. Oat milk's like fake milk, though, but I don't know why. I just don't go milk, you know? I don't go milk at all. Never milk a bull. All very good advice, Mr. Anything Tech. Very good advice. Cow's milk is made for cows, not humans. That's why so many people cannot digest it. Do we feed human milk to cows? Nope. Just saying. Sorry, guys. I don't like the taste of milk. I just don't like milk in general. But that was just an expensive milk last night in the video, and I want to know if we can find a cow that would milk itself. What are those red candles, you day traders? What are those red candles, you day traders? I'm talking to you. Exactly, Velocity. What are these stupid red candles we've got here, guys? Get these red candles off the chart right now. We only want to watch AMC go higher. Do you not know this by now? I only want to see AMC go up. Oh, you guys are amazing. Jay would do very well milking a cow if he needed to. Good, man. Good. If you and I ever get stuck in Amish Town, then I'm gonna be glad that I'm with you. Oh, Kyle enjoys milk a lot. Kyle enjoys milk. I see, man. I don't know. I've never been a big milk guy, but it sounds like you enjoy milk a lot, there, Kyle. Aloha, fam. Oh yeah. Oh god, you're telling me you tried to buy milk for $1 million and you don't even like milk? WTF is your life, bro? Get out of here. I know last night's metaphor was a true story. Yeah, dude, it was a true story. I tried to buy milk for $1 million, and luckily the grocery store would not sell it to me. I'm a little salty about it, but, you know, what are you going to do? I just can't make this stuff up in my head, man. Where would you get $1 million gallon of milk? Nowhere! Except the grocery store that won't sell it to you. I don't know why. I don't know what the problem is with me, but they want to sell me that gallon of milk for some reason. It doesn't even really work. Yuri is pronounced Yuri, not Ure. Yura. Yes, Yuri. What happened with a hedge fund in Brazil buying 500 million shares? I don't know, Xavier. Did a hedge fund in Brazil buy 500 million shares of AMC? I'm not being like. I don't know if a hedge fund in Brazil could afford 500 million shares. I'll just be honest with you right now. I don't know. I want to look that up. Are there even any hedge funds in Brazil? Give me 2 seconds. I gotta see it. I gotta see the most. Oh man, how would you even word that? Clay, smoking the green today. Never your mom's box. You should get a Costco membership, much cheaper and much larger supply, bro. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. Milk is hard to come by here in Ohio. It is. Lauren, I timed out and didn't see them again after. Dang it. I timed it out. Oh, you timed them out. Who did we not see again? Chaka! What's up, Chaka? Good afternoon, Clay, bro. Have a great weekend, brother. You too, Chaka Kong, man. I saw your picture. I didn't even see your name. I knew it was you. Okay, thanks, Rocket. I wondered where they went. Who, the fake Lauren or what? The trumpet guy. Bruh. Spreading fuddy. Jay. Who, me? Matt Kors explains it on his channel. Yeah, Matt Kors did have a pretty good video about the, yeah, but I don't think that was about a hedge fund, right? I don't think it was about a hedge fund. Matt Kors was talking about the shares that are trading on the Brazilian exchange. You gonna close at 35? Yes, Chris. That's why we got that white line right there, man. All right, let's see what we got going on here. I feel like Sam's Club has better varieties than Costco. Quite possibly, man. I don't compare Sam's Club to Costco very often, but they may. Clay, I tagged you on a video in Twitter. I asked you to check it out about the hedge fund in Brazil buying 500 million shares. Okay. 11 Simon. Gotcha. I didn't go through all my Twitter tags this afternoon. Synthetic Lauren, Clay. This synthetic Lauren will probably be back at some time. That's why we see this so sad, because of all the cheap fat they sell us all the time, including milk. Carlos, it's difficult, man. It's difficult. Just don't buy milk. If milk was $1 million a gallon, you probably wouldn't buy it, right? Fake Lauren was the trumpet guy. They changed their name to catch your attention, but then were cast out of the village. Now we'll never know. Lauren. Synthetic Lauren was the trumpet guy. Darn it! I knew it, Brett. True. My club's the best. Nice, Sam. Sam's got his own club. Okay. I like both, but do shop at Sam's Club more often. Lauren. Natalie knows her Sam's Club. Natalie knows her club stores. Very good. My mom says you look like the milkman. They used to deliver milk to your door back in the day. Oh, Mom says you look like the milkman. I thought Mom said I look like the milkman. I was like, well, dude, if you look like the milkman and I look like the mailman, guess what? Who's your daddy and what does he do? 38.481. Brad's at 34.81. I'm calling 35.01. Let's go. Look at the green candles coming in hot right now, man. They're just, I don't know. If I drew a different trend line today, if I actually made it steeper, I believe that we would have seen a steeper increase today. This trend line is really holding up. I think we can end at 35. Trap. I sure hope so. I think we're going to do it, man. Kyle said 35. I think we got it going on. Half hour power, baby, coming in hot right now. All right, let's see what we have here. No, I don't want an Excel Let's see if that one's gonna work there. When this squeezes, I'm going to propose to Natalie. True story. I hope I'm there for it, man. I hope I'm there for it. Natalie, are you gonna say yes or no? Now we need to know. The mystery is intriguing. What an adventure. I know, Lauren. I know. One day you will find Trumpet Man. You will. 34.99. They won't allow 35. Red line, Sean. We call the shots here, man. Not the hedge funds. We call the shots. 35.06. Price is right strategy. Chris, nice, man. Push, push, push. Kyle, thank you for the super chat. Mahalo, how, brother. Thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. Guys, push, push, push. No, we are not giving birth. We are watching AMC go to $35 per share right now. All we got to do is get 61 cents on the clock right here, and we are going to make it to $35 per share. It is going to be amazing. I'm calling it right now. I'm calling it right now. White line. White line's getting hit. Oh my gosh, I got to breathe. $35 is what I'm saying. That ain't no guess. That's what it's going to be. Natalie and Lauren are going to have a ring for every finger per post squeeze. Don't even get me started on the toe rings. Yeah, you're probably right, Brett. You're probably right. What's that give them? Like 19 rings each? Like 19 rings each? Sounds about right. I didn't expect Clay to see that. Neil Wolf. I didn't see it. I just said it, man. I didn't see it. I just said it. Me and you are on the same wavelength, dude. Same wavelength. If you had $500, would you spend it on 1 to 3 single stocks or spread it out and go for smaller amounts each shares? Paul, 1 to 3 single stocks. Dude, if you're talking about diversification, man, $500, it's completely up to you. If you, like, one stock, man, $500, that's, you know, clearly you can do better. You can do a lot worse. So it's up to you and your investment style, your investment strategy. I say it's always good to practice diversification from the start. Because let me tell you, dude, if you buy one stock with your $500, and let's say you buy a really risky pharmaceutical or you buy AMC, and all of a sudden you have $50,000 in your account, okay? What are you going to do with that $50,000? You're going to think, oh, well, the one stock strategy worked out very well for me. I'll continue to invest heavily in one stock. Then all of a sudden, you put $50,000 into another stock. Dang it, dude. They didn't get FDA approval. All of a sudden, they're at 90% loss, and you're sitting on $5,000. It's tough. Practice good investing principles from the start, and you're gonna be better off. Kyle, not if she keeps pushing. Oh, yes. Not if she keeps pushing. Something's going to be going very. I'm still waiting on Claybro toe ring. I'm going to do some shopping this weekend. Natalie. Toe ring for you. Wow. Volatile day from deep red to bright green. Denny got in because he rage bought earlier, and now he's doing very well. I like it, Denny. You got to be feeling good. Natalie, are you in love? What? With Clay? What? Nobody knows. Kyle, I say that because my wife is a L&D. Labor and delivery. Did I get it? If I got it, I'm the man of acronyms if I got that. And about 79% assets in AMC. Neil Wolf, 79%. You are heavily invested in AMC. That is okay though, right? I mean, you made that decision. JV, maybe she can birth my wife. Let's do it, man. Claybro and Natalie's sitting in a tree. HOLD AMC. Like, where's Cookie? If everybody forgot about Cookie. No, Cookie, come back. Cookie, come back. Clay, you're a funny guy. Keep up the great job. Mark. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. I don't really know if I'm actually funny, but, like, Brett, I think Brett is funny. Natalie is funny. I think I'm just a dude on a screen, but I will keep it up, man. I have no plans on, like, changing. So we got that. Little Claybro's on the way. Dang, where, dude? Not that I know of. Clay, what are your thoughts on the AMC GME interview this week between Dr. Robert Shapiro and Lucy? Dude, I have no idea. Must see for everyone. Exposed a lot of closed-door hedge fund tactics and resolution. I didn't even know they were interviewing this weekend, man. I'm going to be honest, Johnsontown. No idea. Wife-changing money, huh? That's dangerous, man. Wife-changing money is dangerous. Did you go to school for stocks? I didn't go to school for stocks. I'll just say that. I am not... Listen, guys. There's nothing about this that is fashion. Alright? I didn't go to school for sports. I didn't go to school for What do people go? Veterinary practices. I didn't go to school for a lot of things. You can say that. Didn't go to school for a lot of things, guys. Little sweet green candles coming in right now. You gotta love those little sweet green candles, don't you? Look at these little guys. Look at these little guys right here. These are little sweet green candles, man. It's just beautiful. We love the little sweet green candles, don't we, Fatima? I do. Let's go 35. Let's do it, Trapper. 35. We got this, man. Quick, activate the cookie symbol. Cookie, come back. We need you in this live chat. Cookie, come back. Guys, where is Cookie? Somebody reach out to Cookie and tell her, get over here now. I went to bartending school and quit. Why? You're entertaining for sure. Redline Sean. Thank you. I appreciate that, man. Kyle, AMC Trapper. Let's go, 35. Let's go, AMC Trapper. Kyle, AMC Trapper. I feel a friendship blooming right here, and I need to just, I don't know, prune it. I need to help it blossom, man. Hey, maybe I went to school for flowers, right? Prune it, what do you call it? I don't even know. But we need to make sure that this friendship blossoms. Kyle, Trapper, Kyle. I'm glad you guys are introduced right now because you're both bros. That's what I'm talking about, man. Did Cookie paper hand? Never, JB. Never. Cookie's got them diamond hands. Oh, yes. I just want to pinch the green candles. Little cheekies. These cheeky little Muppets, man. Look at these cheeky little Muppets on the chart right here. This is incredible. Oh, look at this little cheeky little Muppet. It's just a little cheeky little Muppet right here. Yes, it is. When you pinch it, oh, yeah. It's nice. I love cheeky little Muppets, don't you? Sometimes I'm a hairy little mongoose, man. Oh, man, trap. Oh, yeah, there's another trap, too. Kyle, we got those hearts out for Kyle right there. Boom, boom, mahalo, howl, brother. Pepperidge Farm remembers they do. Expert, well, Rocket, man. Sometimes you gotta plant the flower. Sometimes you have to unplant the flower. Either way, you gotta make sure that the flower gets what the flower wants. Clay, what is your favorite cocktail? Shrimp, Sam-Blow. My favorite cocktail would be shrimp cocktail. I feel like Sam doesn't know that I don't drink. So that might be like, okay, you asked me a favorite cocktail. Like, honestly, I don't drink. So I've actually never drank. So answering the question, like my favorite cocktail, I would say shrimp cocktail because I don't drink. I don't want you to think that I'm just blowing you off on your question or whatever because it's true. Like shrimp cocktail would have to be my favorite cocktail. Oh, man. If you go to the daily chart, isn't the biggest bull flag you've ever seen? Does it come with the biggest explosion? Leonard, man. We've got a very large pennant, don't we? And when I say we got a very large pennant, I'm talking about there's no accent there. I'm strictly talking about the flag formation. Yeah, I hope we get a big breakout to the upside, dude. I certainly do. Clay, I've never had a drink either. You're my true bro. Let's do it, JB. That's what I'm talking about, man. Josh, thank you for the super chat. Josh says, Clay, bro, do you remember Friday, August 20th, 2021, when we went from 34 to over 35 in the last 30 minutes to close the day? Dude, I feel like this is a scene straight out of Bobby Boucher's Waterboy, man. You remember when the Josh came in the chat in the last 30 minutes of the game and then the Mud Dogs won the Bourbon Bowl? I do remember it, man, and that's exactly what we're going to watch happen right here. We're going to bust above $35 in the last 30 minutes of the day. We're going to watch options expire in the money. It is going to close green today. We're going to have the start. Guys, I'm telling you right now, we're going to have the start of a very nice weekend. So get ready right now. Natalie and I are going to go play skee ball. We're going to have money to play skee ball because we're making a ton of money on AMC. And we're going to go to, oh crap, what was the name of that place that I said I've never been to that you said has like basketball and skee ball and laser tag and everything? Oh, not Dave and Buster's. I've only been to the Dave and Buster's. What's the one? The Great Fun Place? What was that place called? A Lot of Fun Place? I feel like it was something big. But it was an easy name, but I forget it now. Natalie, where are we going this weekend to play skee ball? I completely forget now. No, you're wrong, Colonel Sanders. Mama said, yeah, Colonel Sanders is wrong. Because Mama said that alligators he's always angry because they got all them teeth, no toothbrush. Main event. I knew it was easy. Main event. Yes, we're going to the main event this weekend. Neo, if it's only a joke, I've been married most of my life, very sheltered. I don't know what the other one was. Neo Wolf was talking about Chuck E. Cheese. Yeah, we could go to Chuck E. Cheese, but I don't have a kid, so I don't know if we can get in. Mama says hedge funds are so ornery because they got all those shorts and people keep holding. And that is what Mama says, actually. Like, I should bring Mom on the channel sometime. She would tell me that the hedge funds are so ornery because they got all them shorts and nobody's selling them the shares back. Discovery Zone. Dude, classic, Ryan. Classic Discovery Zone, man. That's a good one. You're wrong, hedge funds. Mama said apes always win. You're wrong, hedge funds. Mama said apes always win. Or I don't know, I was joking too. Mostly it's funny because it's true. Dang, man, I wish I got in on this joke. I missed it, though. Oh, man, I remember Discovery Zone. Dude, how does everybody remember Discovery Zone? That was like I thought I was the only person that ever went to a Discovery Zone. Did you guys all go to the same Discovery Zone as me? Like, are we all connected? Did we all went to the same Discovery Zone? And you were the kids that were in front of me waiting to go, like, over that little obstacle course place? And I had to wait for you? Because I was really fast. You guys were probably really slow at it. So I was probably waiting on you, but incredible, man. I thought there was only one Discovery Zone and it was mine. True story. People don't like me saying hi to the ladies in here. Yes, they do, 1111, Mr. Simon. Make sure to say hi to all of them. Did you say skee ball or ski ball? Asking for a friend. Yes. Answering for a friend. Yes. And she showed me her naked shorts, and I like them too. Yes, Vicky Valancourt, man. And she showed me her naked shorts, and I like them too, mama. You the devil. Power Ranger, Summer Wristband, Discovery Zone. Let's go, Ryan. You're the man, dude. I've never been to Discovery Zone. I went to Cozy, though. Or Kosai. Well, yeah, I've been to Discovery Zone. I've been there. It's a good place. Natalie, we should go. We should open a Discovery Zone post-squeeze just so Natalie can go. Not sure you really want to know, Clay. Redline. I'm going to take your word for it, man. Where did this go? Why did I keep going main? No. That's the main one that I want, with Weeble down here still. Come on. The ladies love diamond hands. They do, McSlipple. They do. I've been to the Safari Zone. Ooh, Neo Wolf. I have never been to the Safari Zone. Sounds nice to me. Skizball. Interesting. Never played that sport, Kyle. Sounds like a good one, though. I had Chuck E. Cheese near me. Cassie. I also have a Chuck E. Cheese near me, too. Every time I tell ladies about my diamond hands, I'm yelling... By yelling, I'm rock hard, they slap me to show how soft their hands are. Dude, I'm telling you, man, those girls got to get some harder hands, dude. They got to get those diamond hands like we got, Brett. Come on now. I mean, boyfriend and girlfriend. 11 Simon, I must have missed something, man. You got to tell them. You got to tell them hi every time you come in here. One time, my mom let me go to cool places. Also, I am like you guys. Laughs awkwardly. Dude, look, I'm honest, like, look at, I know we're having fun right now, look at AMC, it's about to rip above this trend line again, and we're going to close at $35 today. I know we are, because Kyle and Trapper said so. We're doing it. Lauren, this is true. Lauren Simon and Natalie is in love with AMC. Shh. Maybe Clay is my last name. First name, Alfred. Mark. Alfred Mark Clay? AMC. It makes sense now. It makes sense! Oh, man. Northeast Ohio for the win! Ninja Kong. What's going on, man? McSlipple, male. We just throwing it out there now so everybody knows. All I want for Christmas is green. Yeah, me too, man. All I want for Christmas is... Okay, here's the question we're going to throw out in the chat right now. Let's say, I don't know what day Christmas falls on this year, okay? Now, let's say we wait until Christmas, okay? Now, I know a lot of us got in January, early February. Some of us got in later, right? If you're right there at Christmas time, end of December, and you've only got 1 month left to go for long-term capital gains taxes, 1 month, maybe 6 weeks, right? You got, like, very short amount of time to go for long-term capital gains. You got a choice to make. Do we watch it squeeze either right around Christmas, okay? I don't know, day before we break for Christmas, week before, whatever. Either time to buy presents or the squeeze is your Christmas present. Do we watch it squeeze for our Christmas present, or do we wait the extra month and watch it squeeze for long-term capital gains? Which one do you guys prefer? Honestly, I'd prefer the 10% capital gains tax as opposed to ordinary income capital gains tax. But I know a lot of people wanted a Christmas miracle to happen. So I need to know. This is going to be an amazing Christmas present for you guys. Yes, that's going to be an amazing Christmas present for sure. You guys, OnlyFans is rebranding. It's going to become an online Christian dating site. Good luck to them. McSlipple male, AMC freak, looking for AMC freak female. Female freak, LMAO. McSlipple's putting it out there, guys. Any of those in the chat right now want to hit up McSlipple? Long-term AMC Trapper, he's a long-term cat. Rocket's holding, AMC Trapper's holding. You need to wait and save the taxes. JB's holding. I like him squeezing September for my birthday. Yeah, I feel like September, like if we got an end of August, September squeeze, I'd be okay with that. Like I wouldn't feel like, oh man, I wish we would have waited another 5 months for the squeeze or something. I'd be on with that. But I feel like if you were right there, I feel like I'd rather wait a couple of weeks. I honestly would. But like if it happened next week or whatever, I'd be down with that for sure. But if it was gonna happen at the end of the year, I'd probably rather just wait. Long-term, baby! That's what I'm saying, Natalie. That'd be the Christmas present, is saving all that money in taxes. It would be your Christmas present. AMC's my Christmas present. I just got it 11 months early. Nice, Neo Wolf. My daughter's getting married in October. I'm either going to have a wonderful wedding or we are having it at the local park. It depends on AMC's price. Mark, hey, man, just give her, like, listen, she'll be okay with a wedding at the park. Just give her a couple shares of AMC and tell her not to sell them until the squeeze. She'll be happy. We can call it a bon appetit. This chat makes me want to start an AMC dating app. We need a name and someone who can design apps. We need a name. Brett's already got the name. We can call it Bon Appetit. I like it, dude. Appetit. Bon Appetit. Appetit, not appetite. Bon Appetit? No, Bon Appetit. Claybro, do you happen to know which Hogwarts house you belong to? Sam, true story. I've never seen a full Harry Potter movie, and I've never read a Harry Potter book. So I have no idea what Hogwarts house I belong to. Apesmeet.com. Very simple. I like it. Tell her some people never even get a wedding, like myself. Anybody looking for a Neo Wolf out there? Neo Wolf wants a wedding. Well, let's get Neo Wolf a wedding. We squeeze, Neo Wolf gets a wedding. We're making that declaration right now. Just like you can declare bankruptcy by yelling it, I am declaring that Neo Wolf gets a wedding post-squeeze. Granted, it's crazy, man. Oh, gosh. Banana Hammock's much better branding name for the AMC dating site. It could be. Me either. Missed that. With the Trapper, with the Me either. I just throw a rabbit into a hoop like a basketball. Well, Antics, that sounds like a pretty nice magic trick. We should call it, if you're holding board and waiting for AMC to squeeze, click here. That would probably get a lot of clicks. That would probably get a lot of clicks. I wonder if I would click. He's probably a Gryffindor. Am I? How do you know? Like, how do you know which house you belong to? Am I a Gryffindor? Oh, Natalie. Sorry, Neo Wolf. Clay is more likely to squeeze next week or at the end of the year. Honestly, Mina, I don't know. Natalie and I need to speak offline after reading her name suggestion for this app. Well, there you go, man. Speak offline. Your expressions on some of these comments you read are priceless. Nadia, some of these comments you read, man, they're a little difficult. You know, they're a little difficult, but you got it. No profile pictures. Just show your position. I like it. I like it. You guys are just getting better and better. This is actual. This site. I know people would use it. I know they would. Lauren is driving. Lauren, be careful. Be careful, Lauren. If you're driving right now, it's okay. Lee, man, good evening to you, Lee. How you doing? Sorry, Cassie. Oh man, I missed it, Cassie. What'd you say? Neo Wolf, it's okay. I never had a wedding either. Cassie and Neo Wolf post squeeze. Guys, get to know each other now because post squeeze is gonna be very nice. A-Father could be an admin. Yes, A-Father could be an admin for sure. No, I'm just starting a dog walk in the rain. Watch out for the bins. Watch out for the bins, Lauren. They may have moved them. Ask people which one will hurt you more mentally. Losing a couple of thousands of dollars investment gain or missing out on the potential to be a millionaire. Okay, like honestly though, if that does come through, like if that's the situation, like if you lost a couple, I don't know, $100, or if you lost $1,000, I don't know what situation you're in either, but I can guarantee you, right? If you sold now and booked $1,000 loss on your position, and then in 3 months you could have had like $2 million, that I don't know, man. You got to be a tough trader in order to just move on once you click sell and close out your position. You got to be a tough trader not to say, dang it, man, I know that I should have held. But, hey, man, you made the decision to sell. You got to move on with it. You can't regret your decision that you make. That's why you got to have a plan and trade your plan. Curtis is retracting messages. Darn it, Curtis. Clipper, what's up, brother? What's up, Short Crusher? How you doing? Let's take our thousands and dump it in, bro. Let's do it, Short. Pro tip, while you're on your walk with your dog, make sure you keep the dog on... Yes, Lauren, if you're listening right now and you're not watching the chat, make sure to keep the dog leash with you. We don't need another, I don't know, mishap where Tia runs into somebody's garden. You need to make sure that you keep track of her. Risky for the biscuit. That's what I'm talking about, Detroit. Let's go. Boo, boo. Guys, look at this trend line. Like, I can't make this stuff up. I can't make this stuff up. You guys know that we put this trend line on here. Maybe you don't know, so I'll tell you. Honestly, we put this trend line on here. Where's the bottom? I put this trend line on here before we even had this number. Right here. Before we even hit this 32, this trend line went on. I didn't plan that. Oh, boy. Now I'm lost. We gotta get back. Yeah, that's when we put the trend line on there. We're going 35 today. You guys keep an eye on that. We're going 35. Good night, everyone. Crypto Rocketeer. Are you leaving, man? Hindsight is always 20/20. It is, Lisa. It is. That's why you gotta stay confident in the decision you make. Make your decision right now. Pressing for the rest of your life. AMC Trapper. Wouldn't it be though? I mean, it would be sad. I would feel bad for somebody that sells. And there will be. I can guarantee you, there will be somebody that sells not only the day before AMC rips up and squeezes, there will be somebody that sells the minute before AMC rips up and squeezes. There will be somebody that sells the minute AMC starts to squeeze, and they might walk away with a 10% gain, and they may end up, they could have had, if they would have waited, a 10,000% gain. Like, it's going to happen. It's inevitable. Clay, manipulating the market. Dude, it's the purple line that manipulates the market, not me, man. I just drew the purple line. The purple line is what does the magic and what does the work. Definitely not me. Good evening. Awesome, Brian. How's 35? Dude, we're going 35 today, man. Look at this. We're going to hit it. Oh, man, we are going to hit 35. We're going to get a nice rip up in the next 6 minutes, and it's going to close at 35. I'm waiting for it. We got 7 minutes left. Let's do it, guys. My friend sold 220 shares. Pretty sure he'll regret that. Hey, JB, unless he gets back in, man, there's a high likelihood that your friend does regret it. Because I don't think we're done at 35, man. I wouldn't be this excited if I honestly thought that we were done at $30 per share. I don't think we're done, man. Lisa, everything was fine. Thank you. Good deal. Question is, how to know when to sell? $1 million question, dude. And here's the best answer I can give you on that one, right? When you're completely comfortable, when you can look and say, and don't get terribly greedy, like you don't have $10 million in your portfolio, like that's when you sell. But when you feel like you can look back, let's say AMC goes to $800 and you're like, all right, man, I've got enough money in my portfolio right now that my life will be changed. Okay, whether that's paying off all of your debt, whether that's going out and buying yourself a house so you never have a mortgage payment, whether that's paying off your student loans, or whether that's, being able to start a business that you want to start and do what you enjoy for the rest of your life. Whatever your goal is, when you've got that much money in your account and you're not going to regret clicking sell, and then if it continues to double or triple from there on, that you're going to kick yourself. Clearly, guys, everybody will want to make as much money as possible, but nobody except maybe 1 or 2 people are going to time the peak perfectly. So keep that in mind too. Nobody's going to time it perfectly except a few lucky people who, for some reason, click that button at the absolute top. So if you can move forward completely content and satisfied with what you did in this trade, that's when you sell. Closing out today with you, Clay Bro. Thanks for all the work you perform. Keep us in tune. Absolutely. Is it Tama or Tama, man? I never know. Only in another chat, Sam Blow. I don't have friends in real life. Neither do I. Actually, if you guys notice that Nick F isn't typing in the chat right now because I'm not holding my tablet. Sad, isn't it? Sad. You're starting to piece that together, aren't you? When all the shorts have covered, it's my plan to sell. Neo Wolf, excellent, but I would do it slightly before all of the shorts have covered because once they all cover, man, if we're that high in price, you're not going to see retail buying. You're only going to see hedge funds buying if we get that high in price. I've made my decision at where I will sell. Make that decision now before you in the heat of the moment. Everything above that is gravy. Yeah, dude, I don't really like gravy that much. I'd prefer like icing on the cake or just a slush, man. Or just like something really nice, dude. Really nice. Gravy? Not a gravy, dude. I don't know. Clay Bro, you want to deliver my baby? Kyle, it'd be an honor. It would be an honor to deliver your baby. Kyle, it would be an honor. Let's push it. Push! 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 We got it, dude. We're getting this baby out here. $35 per share is going to come. 4 minutes left in the day. $1 million. Yeah, man. And if you guys got enough positions in your portfolio that you hit $1 million in your account, I mean, shoot. That's going to be just... I mean, there's not really any difference in $950,000 and $1 million, but, like, I know you want to hit that $1 million. I know you do. 34.50, Natalie, whipped cream. Whipped cream, too, man. I love the whipped cream. The hard part will be if it runs up to like 350 then pulls back to 250. What do? Sell at 350, sell at 250, or wait and see it run back up? Exactly, Natalie, exactly. And I honestly believe that we will see volatility like that. Lisa, I honestly see volatility like that coming. And especially if it's a run-up like we had back here, and we just got this. You know, we run up to 250, or run up to 350, and then next day, pull back to 250. Following day, back up to 300. Like, what are we going to do? Once the numbers come out and we see that no shorts have covered still, but look, all these guys that jumped in at $300 per share, what are they going to do? They're going to start feeling bad like the guys that jumped in at 70, and then we might see a sell-off back down to 250. And if none of the shorts have covered, oh man, that was small. That was supposed to be big while I was doing that. If none of the shorts have covered, we're still in the same place. We're just at 250 now instead of $30. Oh man, we got 2 minutes left on the chart, guys. We need a big green candle if we expect to close at 35. 60 cents. Anybody want to go out there and throw in, like, I don't know, 10,000 shares at a $35 purchase price? Maybe we can get it to hit. I'm going to play options during the squeeze. There you go, Kyle, man. If you want to get into that volatility and play some options, I say go for it. I'm holding. I believe it's going to go higher. Me too. I honestly believe it's going to go higher. I'm in Texas and live in Florida. Nice, Tama. You will, Cassie. Awesome. Let's be friends. There you go. Cassie and Neil Wolf are officially friends now. I'm calling it. What is prediction next week? Quick. 2 minutes left. Monday opens. Guess. Monday open price is going to be $34.89. Monday's close price is going to be $36.28. I'm not going to remember that. So if you guys want to remember that, make sure to write it down because I certainly won't. Is there any way to tell in real time if the shorts have covered? Natalie, not unless you trust Ortex's data. But then, you know, they're just estimates, right? Based on the amount of borrowed shares and return shares that are out there. There's unfortunately not going to be any way to know in real time if the shorts have covered. But I've got a theory that we'll watch it close here and then I'll go back out to a 1 year graph. But I've got a theory that once we do get to the squeeze and all shorts have covered their position, right? Everybody, all the shorts went out there, bought that stock. I strongly believe that we're going to still end up with a very high short interest post-squeeze. Now, you can have a legitimate squeeze where you run up because shorts are covering. Let's say we do run up to $500 per share during a short squeeze. All shorts have covered at that point. Well, guys, the hedge funds are going to know when they've covered all their shorts. So they're going to know where the peak is. Assuming no retail investors are still buying it at $500 a share. They're going to know where the peak is. So what are they very likely to do, knowing that there is almost no chance that retail investors will push the stock higher, that they're going to be able to do it at the exact peak? Give you two seconds to answer. Yeah, they're very likely to short this stock at that level again, potentially in higher quantities than they're shorting it now. So they're going to be very profitable on that one. They could double their money. They could take out, I don't know, $10 billion for the shorts at that point and do very well. But it's going to provide us with a round two. The only thing being is we're going to have to drive it past, I don't know, $500 a share at that point instead of $5 a share like we had it a couple months ago. We green for the day, Trapper. We are green for the day. $34.40. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. We were down 6% earlier today. We were down 6% here, guys. Look at this. That was a terrible start, but a wonderful finish to the day. This was just like trendline trading 101. It was amazing the way this chart followed the trend today. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. And look, if you even would have came down here and moved this trend line to touch those lows, look where we closed. Like, boom, touching low, touching low, touching low, touching low. If we would have adjusted that trend line a little bit, that's like a dead-on close right there at 34.40. Dead-on close. That's an incredible picture to me right there. But yeah, see what I'm saying? If they would have like closed out all their positions during this time, we would have seen it run up even higher than $72. But they would have known that all their positions were closed out at this $72 mark, and they would have said, okay, well, we can go short another 80 million shares of AMC and take out all of their shorts at this $72 mark. They'd be profitable until we busted back up above $70 per share. So I believe they're going to do something like that during the squeeze. People might end up calling it a fake squeeze, but I don't think it'll be fake. Just like they may have covered many more positions than the 17 net million positions that they closed here, they may have covered 90 million shares during this time and just re-shorted them up here. And that's what caused such selling pressure. And they may have re-shorted, I don't know, 90 million shares and ended up with that 17 million net covering going on there. So I strongly believe we could have a round two once AMC does squeeze. American Dream is back, man. American Dream? Meet American Dream 7.5. I don't know if it's the same American Dream or not. Like if you just have American Dream 1, American Dream 2, American Dream 3, American Dream 7, American Dream 7.5, or if it's a different one, but thank you very much for the super chat. Super chat. Thank you. I appreciate that. Absolutely. The support of the channel is amazing. Thank you very much, American Dream. Your mom's box. Thanks for letting us know. I missed it. Oh yeah. Okay, good deal. Your mom's box. Thanks for letting us know, for real. It was an inverse head and shoulders on the chart. I missed that. Maybe I don't know what chart. We looked at a couple different ones there. Have a great weekend, Clay. Same to all my fellow apes. Captain Brian over and out. Captain Brian, man. Have a good weekend. And if you get a chance to catch us tomorrow, man, make sure to catch us tomorrow if I go live. Have a good one, Captain Brian. Absolutely. So long, Captain Brian. And there's not going to be a fake squeeze. Why would they run it up to $300 to $400? We're losing a ton of money. Yeah, sure. I don't think there's going to be I think that people might call that a fake squeeze, right? Since there's a lot of people discussing the idea of a fake squeeze right now, I don't think that there's going to be a fake squeeze in the sense that hedge funds would allow the stock to run up so far and lose $30-40 billion on it. No, they're not going to intentionally lose $30 to $40 billion. But let's say they do go out right now, and let's say the squeeze happens on Monday, right? And say there's 90 million short shares outstanding that are being reported. If they go out and they cover all 90 million short shares, we may run up to $300, right? Well, let's say at $300, they short another 80 million shares. They can afford to short 80 million shares at that point. Well, look, we're going to say that they only covered 10 million short shares, and we ran that high. When in all reality, they covered all of them, but took out those new ones. So they're completely profitable until we bust above that $300 level again. And people might say, well, they only covered 10 million shares during that point. That's it was a fake squeeze. Because we don't know. We don't know we only know their net position. So it's going to be difficult, but I think that's what they're likely to do. American Dream! Thank you for another super chat. I appreciate that. You were the man today. You're killing it, American Dream. It's beautiful. David, another day in this massive play. Stay strong, apes, and have a great weekend, Clay. Dude, did you mean to do that in such a poetic form? David, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that, man. Did you mean to write, like, I need to know, David. I need to know. Did you mean to make such a beautiful poem out of that super chat? Another day in this massive play. Stay strong, apes. Have a great weekend, Clay. That was beautiful, dude. That was beautiful. I'm going to remember that one. I liked that, David. I did. I just need to know if you intentionally did that or if that was accident. Because if that was accident, man, that was a beautiful accident. It truly was. Formed a nice hammer candle pattern today on the daily. Bull trap set up for next week. Well, hey, man, I don't know if we got a bull trap, bear trap coming up next week. Nobody can predict perfectly what's going on. But hopefully it turns out nice for us. Transparency Project in the house, baby! What's going on, Transparency? Hopefully you're having a good day so far. AMC closing the green, man. I'm having a good day. Can you please answer how everyone will get paid if this goes to the moon? What do you mean how everybody's going to get paid? Do you literally want to know how you're going to get the cash, or how you're going to transfer it to your bank, or how enough shares are going to be covered for everybody to get their shares, or where the money's going to come from? I mean, the money's going to come from the hedge funds, man. And yeah, maybe the hedge funds only cover 90 million shares, but I can guarantee you the volume the day it squeezes is going to be much higher than 90 million. So you're certainly going to have a chance to sell your stock. Ladies and love now, AMC Trapper. Yeah, that was a beautiful poem, dude. It really was. You know it was. Club was happening, homeboy. What's up, Petey Pete? How you doing? Probably going to get paid via wire transfer. Hey, man, wire transfer, I don't know if you want them to send a check to your house or what the deal is, but there's plenty of ways to get paid. I didn't understand the question perfectly. Let me go grab a Corona right quick. All right, Transparency, grab one of those. Clay, listen, you're going to have to stream live 24/7 during the squeeze. Get yourself a cot, grab a blanket, and camp out in your living room so those of us who are new do not mess this opportunity up. Natalie, I don't know if I'll be able to. I honestly don't know if I'll be able to sleep during the squeeze, right? I honestly don't know if I'll be able to. I mean, if we're talking like AMC goes to 1,000 or something like that, I really don't know if I'll be able to sleep that well. We'll be here, right? We will be here. I might be a little nervous myself, man. I'm gonna tell you, I might be a little nervous, but we're gonna get through it together. It's not just gonna be me. We're gonna get through it together, okay? And yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun when we're doing it. But hey, game face is on when it's game time. We're gonna play. When it's game time, we come to play. We come to win. Like, we didn't come all this way to say, oh darn, I missed out. We came all this way to play. All right, we're gonna win when it's game time. And it's not just me, man. We are a team, okay? Not just me. We are an absolute team, and we're going to destroy it. Oh man, now they agreed. I drew his face on an oven mitt, but that's more to hang out, so that advice isn't the same. I missed something. I know I did. I still do the share giveaway on Monday if you want. Hey, AMC Trapper, man, I'm going to let you decide. I'm not going to tell you yes or no if you want to do it. If you want to do a share giveaway, absolutely. Dude, if you want to do it, man, it's your giveaway, though. You come up with your terms. We can do it on here. Cash App got 70,000 popcorn transfer limit. Ooh! It's all right, dude. That's one at a time, right? You guys can do that one day at a time. We should have a big Zoom call. Hey, Detroit, we could do a big Zoom call. I haven't slept since I bought it at 9. Petey Pete, man. Living a dangerous life over there, not sleeping since 9. It's been a minute. Same. Snort Chase. Short Crushers? Snort Chase? I don't even know what we got going on right here. Second green week. The last time was June squeeze. And before that, March small squeeze. Then before that, January squeeze. Leonard's the pattern man. Dude. We got 2 green weeks in a row. It's looking good for us. Not trying to have Clay hold my hand through the squeeze as I am low-key standing here, hand fully extended out. Just take my hand. We'll go through this together, I promise. I'm going to do it. We need your Streamlab to pick the winner. Oh, yeah, we could do it, then. You want to do it on Monday, or when you want to do it? Because if you want to do it Monday, Hey, whenever you want to do it, man. We can do it Monday. We can do it now. Like we can do whenever you want. But we can do Nightbot to end up doing it. Giovanni Piazza, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Let's go, apes. Just bought 25 more shares. Let's go, go, go. We are going, Giovanni. We are absolutely going. We are going. I like it, Giovanni. Thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. You are the man. You are the Giovanni Piazza. I love this dude's name, man. We're Salvatore. Where's Salvatore today? American Dream. Thank you for the super chat. Oh my gosh, you guys are amazing. What a beautiful Friday today is, man. AMC is green. We got Giovanni. We got American Dream. It is just like, it's amazing. Whew. Come on now, y'all. Now or Monday, don't matter. Come on, Trapper. Okay, listen. How you want to do it? How you want to do it? Because if we do it, regardless of when we do it, if you're giving away a share of AMC, you're probably going to have to do it what? Cash App, Venmo, something like that. And they're going to have to follow you on Twitter, contact you on Twitter or email, I would assume. And then, we could have Nightbot do it. Like, that's not a problem to do a giveaway. But they're going to have to get in touch with you somehow. Unless they want to share their Cash App or whatever in front of everybody right now. I don't know if they do that or not. American Dream 7.5 says, we are all dream. We are all dream, American Dream. Absolutely. I don't know if this is the same American Dream with two different accounts. It's got to be. Look at the pattern. Look at the similarity in the chats right now. American Dream with another super chat. Thank you very much, American Dream. The similarity is eerily similar between American Dream 7.5 and American Dream. I do not know if it is the same person or not, but it's got me, man. It's got me. Giovanni is a rad influence. Absolutely. That is not a typo. That is not a typo. Giovanni Piazza, you are a rad influence, man. Absolutely. You make everybody else around you rad, dude. Dude, I'm on it, Giovanni. Yes, you're making me so happy right now. Twitter, AMC Trapper. Follow AMC Trapper on Twitter right now. Do it. Do it. Because it sounds like AMC Trapper is going to be giving away a share of AMC right now. What do we got? If he wants to do it right now, I'll listen. I'm going to say it. Follow him now on Twitter, AMC_Trapper. Go follow him. Because if we do this giveaway right now, AMC closed at 34.40. It may settle. So, I don't know what the exact giveaway is going to be. But you got to follow him if you want to win. So go follow him at AMC_Trapper. Follow me if you want to, Claybro883 on Twitter. But you have to follow him on Twitter if you want to win this share of AMC. So make sure to go do that. And just follow me because you like to follow me on Twitter. I'm not going to give you a share of AMC today. But we're going to use my Nightbot if we give it away. So make sure to do that. He's got Cash App. He's got Zelle. He's got it all. He's got cash if you live nearby. You can pick it up. What does Claybro say about Monday? Monday is going to be a good day. Monday is going to be a good day. We're going to have some follow through on Monday. In fact, since I joined this chat with Giovanni, my girlfriend was randomly like, you've been much more rad lately. Giovanni, that's what I'm saying, dude. You're contagious. The radness is contagious, Giovanni. It is. It is, man. The radness is contagious, dude. Even his girlfriend says, you know what? You've been a lot more rad lately, Sam Blow. It's true, though. It's true. I'm already chilling with AMC Trapper. Good deal, man. Go follow AMC Trapper. American Dream, thank you for the super chat. I appreciate that. Dude, American Dream and American Dream 7.5, I guarantee you're the same person. They have to be the same person now. They have to be the same person. There's no way they're different. There's no way. Oh, man, I'm out of coffee. Last drop. Got it. Got him. Got him. Every day is a good day. Every day is a good day. My Twitter looking weak. Why? Transparency? Go follow Transparency, too. Don't make his Twitter look weak. Salvatore is off today. Dude, just because he's off today doesn't mean he should be out of the channel. Come on now, Giovanni. Hit your cousin up and say, Salvatore, hang out with us for another. We're going to be here for 45 minutes, Giovanni. Tell Salvatore to lighten up his Friday night, start the weekend right, have some fun with us, and he's going to be doing. I can't rhyme right with all right, dude. That would be like such a lame rapper if I rhymed right with all right. His night's gonna be out of sight. Ooh, dude, I'm the man. I'm the man. It took quite some time to get that together, but I got it together. Every day above the ground is a good day. Stay grateful. Petey Pete, that is true, man. Was that crack in your cup? No, that was coffee in my cup. What if Trumpet Guy doesn't know he's Trumpet Guy? Wow, that's screwed up. Lord, if Trumpet Guy doesn't know that he's Trumpet Guy, yeah, that would be messed up. Trumpet Guy, are you in the chat right now? Are you the one that made the joke about the trumpet the other day that I had no idea what you were talking about? Clay, I heard Citadel sells $408 billion worth of stocks. Hotshot, they invest. Their portfolio size is a little bit over $400 billion. So they've got that many assets under management, right? Their portfolio size is roughly above $400 billion. What is this? What is this? Slove Slop, thank you for the thumbs up, man. I appreciate the super chat. Thank you very much. Transparency Project, $3 for the Chip Bro sticker. I got you, man, because I'm mailing leases out this weekend, so I'll mail you some out this weekend too. And finally, a Nikki Piazza, a Ciao Tucci. Yes, Nikki Piazza, thank you very much. I love the Italian, Nikki. I love the Italian. A Ciao Tucci. Yes, Nikki. Thank you for the super chat. I appreciate that. And Nikki, you know, everybody in here loves Dick, right? We all do. We all do. You're not the only one. Come on, y'all. Let's go. This Piazza family is incredible. I feel like I'm being adopted, for real. You know what? I actually feel like my Italian is coming out right now, and I feel like they know something that I don't know. Mom, Dad, was I actually adopted? And the Piazza family is my real family, and they're finally coming through? Like, is this what's happening here? I'm a little bit concerned that I actually am part of the Piazza family, and my real parents, have been lying to me for the last 32 years. I don't know. I don't know. I feel like this is true. I do. My Twitter handle is MentalShift13. Go follow Transparency on Twitter. Lisa says, hey, Piazza, how you doing? Matthew, let's go. Hi, Natalie. Any update on AMC? Lewis, man, yeah, we closed in the green today. $34.40 close. It was absolutely amazing. Definitely follow Transparency Projects. He Liddy. Oh, yes. Make sure to follow Transparency and AMC Trapper. If we do the giveaway, you got to follow Trapper. You got to go follow him now. Claybro Pizza Boy. Piazza Boy. You know about it, man. Woohoo! Claybro, you just made my past 2 weeks. Why? Because I'm sending you some stickers this weekend? Is that why? Or what? Claybro Piazza Boy. Yes, Claybro's real name is Clesandro. Clesandro Piazza. That is my real name. It's Clesandro Piazza. Dang it, man. Now you guys finally found me. Finally found me, dude. You finally found me. Crap. Synthetic parents. I got synthetic parents, dude. My Piazza family's finally coming for me. Natalie got your back, girl. Absolutely. We all got Natalie's back in here. I don't know what you mean. I've never super chatted. Most of my money in crypto and AMC. Good deal, Neo Wolf. Good deal. You don't have to super chat, man. Come on now. Clay. No, your name is Jesus Clayton. It is. It could be, man. I don't know. Jesus Clayton. It could be. Transparency Project. It's probably nicer coming. That was a little weird coming from me. It's probably nicer coming from Natalie, isn't it? Yeah, I think it is. Just read that one, man. I'm not going to read that one out loud for you. You just go ahead and read that one however you want. Clayton Bigsby? It might be. It might be. Kids are awesome, man. Natalie, where's our super chat for our brother? Giovanni Piazza. You know what? You know what? Natalie sent a very nice package for my sister's school. So Natalie, I want to thank you in front of all 281 of my friends. I'm gonna make Shanna write you a thank you note for that. I'm gonna make her write you a thank you note from every kid in the class because they got nothing better to do in school, right? But write thank you notes. So I'm gonna make sure every kid in the class writes a thank you note. And guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna read them online. I'm gonna read them all online if I can read their handwriting. I probably won't be able to do that. But I'm going to do it. I'm going to try my best. It's going to be a little weird. I don't know if all of them know how to spell. But, yes, it's going to be good. It's going to be entertaining. That'll probably be like a Saturday. I'll get on here on a Saturday, and I'll read all the thank you notes. Because, trust me, those are going to be fun. Who doesn't love kisses? Neil Wolf. Everybody loves kisses. Come on now. Thank you, Natalie. Thank you. Thank you. What do you mean thank me? Thank you. 281 watching. Bang that like, folks. bang that like. I'm thinking about banging that like right now. I meant, how will we get paid from selling if it hits 50,000 a share? I stand to make tens of millions. How will they pay us all? Because I have 650 shares, and there's more than that in our world. Robert, first of all, two things. One, they're going to be buying, at the most, they would buy the amount of short shares outstanding there, the 80 million, 90 million short shares at that price right there. But you're also assuming in that equation that every single person sells at that level, and they don't sell before they reach that level. So not everybody is going to sell at the peak. So that's not a safe assumption to make. There's going to be a lot of people that sell up on the way up. There's going to be a lot of people that sell on the way down. So don't assume everybody's going to be selling at the peak. And yeah, dude, there's only like a couple $1 trillion cash in the world anyway. Like, I don't know, 99.99% of the money out there is just made up numbers in bank accounts, dude. There's not the cash that you can go out and you could sit in a house full of cash that would equal all the money in the world. The cash don't exist. It's just numbers in a bank account, dude. They'll transfer numbers to your bank account all day long. I wouldn't worry about that part. Another day, another dollar. Exactly, do it live. We built different, baby. Gonna get your butt whooped by Henry this Sunday. Wish us luck. Good luck. Good luck, Mr. Enormous. Make sure the kids know they're being read on the internet so they can work on his mom jokes and subtle sexual content. Yes, I will make sure. Dude, you know the funny thing is, like, I'm pretty sure half those kids subscribe to this channel anyway. I don't think they watch because they're in school for most of the time, but half the kids subscribe to this channel anyway. So they actually might be in here right now. Because every time I go there, they're like, oh, yo, it's Clay Bro. I subscribe, man. I subscribe. And I'm like, thank you. And I'll be honest with you guys right now. It's very cool because they have no idea that there's any difference in, like, me and Mr. Beast. They don't understand that there's any difference between me and Mr. Beast. Like, I am on the same level because I have a YouTube channel. So if you have a YouTube channel, you're like Mr. Beast. And then you go in, they want to fist bump you and stuff. I subscribe. I'm like, ah, nice, dude. Nice. It's actually very cool. Like, if you're feeling down and you just walk into her school and you're like, well, what's up? Dude, they'll pump you up, man. Those kids will pump you up real quick. They will. They'll pump you up real. Like, you're feeling like, oh, man, 270 people in the live chat today. Oh, rough day. Dude, you go there, you feel like Mr. Beast, dude, all day long. They tell you they subscribe to your channel. You're a YouTuber. It's awesome, man. It's awesome. Some of them are funny. Some of them are kind of like little ape fathers, man. They're like, yo, how much money you make on YouTube? I'm like, what are you talking about, man? Like, yo, I know you making Mr. Beast money, aren't you? I'm like, no, dude. No, there is a difference between, but they're like little ape fathers. They're running around there. That's like what they want to know. But at least they tell you they subscribe to your channel and watch some of your videos. They don't know what I'm talking about, but they watch them. I think institutions, whales that hold tons of shares will hold past 1,000 today. It'll be so much money. Yeah, dude. I don't know if they're going to hold that long, but I sure hope they do. I think that institutions can hold longer than paper hands can. I do think that. 650 shares. Pay me! Robert will get paid, man. Back to work, you all. Thanks for supporting our big brother Clay. Nikki Piazza. I hope you have a wonderful evening. Please don't work too hard. Guys, if you're in the Southern California area, my Piazza family, global and costless heating and cooling, make sure to check out those joint ventures, all right? I believe San Jose area. Check them out, guys. My Piazza family. I got you guys. Got you, Nikki. Got you. That's what they say, man. That's what they say. Clay has been on house arrest for a long time. Matthew, I've been on house arrest for a long time, dude. I'm actually on chair arrest. I can't even leave this chair. Tell them that, yeah, I'm gonna tell the fourth graders, dude, that the real money comes from an OnlyFans. Steroid bra. That's exactly what you should tell these kids. Hello again, Natalie. Natalie Hada in the chat right now. How you doing? Like button is free, folks. Guys, the like button is free. How many likes do we have, transparency? I don't even know. We above 200? We gotta get above 300. Get above 300 likes, guys. I'm gonna start my own. Johnny, OnlyFans. Well, good deal, man. Go for it. Get it out there right now. If you want some followers, you better hurry up because I hear pretty soon OnlyFans is going to be taking a turn for the downside. I call Ape Father now the Alien Father. A lot of people got names for it. Listen, guys, I like the Ape Father. I like all the guys out there doing YouTube videos and having fun in this community. But I know that Ape Father, he's got to shift his focus a little bit. Go back to, and if you're listening right now, Ape Father, Denny, if you want to tell him, do you, Ape Father, do you. Stop worrying about everybody else, man. Go back to having fun with the videos you post. If you're having fun, it's going to bleed through to the people that are watching you. It really will. Have fun, man. What do you think about the 9/17 $50 call? September 17th, you got plenty of time, man. $50, I don't know if you're going to expire in the money, but I do think that we could see a run-up next week, and you could make some money on those if you sell them early. Shannon had a meeting her goal. Rocket, yes. Yes, she did. Yes, she did. Puts on OnlyFans? No, Pajas, I'm not putting any puts on OnlyFans, man. I still think they're going to be doing well. Clay, say hello to Thunderstruck Barbecue. First-time listener. Thunderstruck Barbecue? A first-time listener in the chat right now? What? Thunderstruck Barbecue. I got to know. How did you get here for the very first time? Who sent you? Was it YouTube? Was it a recommendation? Did you finally decide to make it to the live stream? What's going on? We need to know right now. Don't be shy, dude. Don't be shy. This is the last place you should be shy. Unbelievable what's going on, but we just need to hold. That's really the bottom line. Maybe if you want to buy calls weekly, like I bought in the 33s this week, you know, but it's risky. Yeah, Tamir, it is risky, man. It's risky for sure, but you can still make some money. If you want to use it as leverage, you can still make some money on your calls. You're still here, go home. Your mom's box. I'll go home soon. There's a dad that finds out you can record videos on your phone. 11 side, yes, most likely. Boy, she needs a bigger goals. Yes, she needs bigger goals. Shoot for the stars, man. Shoot for the stars. Clay, you can't ask about the coworker anymore. He said he's selling at 70. Bro, I think not. Come on. Why is the coworker selling at 70? Where'd he get in? Does he just want to make up? Dude, I'm going to tell you this, man. Let me tell you this. If we break 70, honestly, I think if we break like 65, we're going to be running. But, dude, if we break 70, that is like it's okay to sell at resistance if we bounce off of it. But if we break 70, dude, wide open spaces, man. Get some Dixie chicks in the chat right here or something. We got wide open spaces. Chipro sent him. Nice, man. I knew what Chipro was doing out there was doing work for us. Also, first-time listener, Clay, bro. Tamir, first-time listener. Glad to have you. Where'd you come from, Tamir? That's what we need to know. Hey, Clay, can you explain what's going on with Citadel? Did they sell billions worth of shares, or is that false? Billions worth of, like, AMC, not AMC, but billions worth of, like, some blue-chip companies? I don't know. I saw a screenshot of it earlier. It looked legit, but I didn't see that directly from them. I didn't look at their 13F, so I don't exactly know, but it did look like a decent screenshot. Natalie, I ain't tried homemade barbecue sauce, but I make homemade marinara that I hope would do the Piazza family proud. Oh God, Brett, now I need some, man. Now I need some. Dude, could you just imagine, Brett? Stop it, man. Stop it. You're getting me going. Brett, if you make homemade marinara sauce, and you're refusing to make bacon grease fried mozzarella sticks, and you've already got the marinara recipe to make the Piazza family proud, I have to ask you why. It's just a legitimate question, man. Why have you not made the bacon fried mozzarella sticks yet? Thunderstruck Barbecue, once you go, bro, you go to, but not. Once you go, bro, you go to, but not fro. Oh God, Brett, I love it. You're too legit to quit. Brett is too legit to quit, man, but I need it, man. If he's making this marinara sauce that already sounds delicious, he needs to eat it with these mozzarella sticks that I'm telling you are bomb. Still talking about chips? No, not right now. Not now. We're talking about mozzarella sticks at the moment. Matt Kors said on August 16th at 09:53 that 46.55 is the new 14.50 and hold up. Yeah. No. I saw that he said that. I think it's a little higher than that though. Here's my main difference between those 2 points. I'll show them to you real quick on the chart. Here's my main difference between those 2 points. See, we ripped 14.50. This level right here, very short level of resistance that we got when we had this pop up in January, right? So you're looking at 14.50. You're looking at 14.50. You're looking at 14.50. We couldn't break it here, right? What happened when we did break it? This was the only level of resistance we had, and I'd argue that it wasn't that great of a level of resistance, right? So when we broke 1450, we ran. Now, if we break this $45 mark that he's talking about right in here, like this area right in here, look, we break that, sure, we might run, but we're going to run into just a wall right here of resistance. Not only because of this right here, but a lot of buyers got in the $50 to $60 range too. And if they haven't averaged down, they're finally going to see some green in this area. And when they see some green after seeing months of red, they may be tempted just to get out, break even, and walk away. So we're also going to run into a very large level of resistance here on the way up. That would be the main difference, in my opinion, between 1450 and this 4550 that he's talking about. When we break this is when I would equate this area more or less to the 1450 area. We break this, we run. I mean, still, it's going to be nice running from 45 to 55, though. So ready for Sugar Mama 2 transparency. Oh, man, we need the Sugar Mama. Trapper, are you in here, man? Do you want to do this giveaway right now, or how you want to do it? You want to do it now or on Monday? Up to you. We got 274 people hanging out. We may have a few more people hanging out on Monday, but I mean, I feel like we got everybody here that's typically here. I'd rather see an OG win than somebody new, but I want to know what you want to do, man, because it's you that would be doing it. They gotta follow you on Twitter, though. They gotta follow you on Twitter, Trapper. All right, Trapper's ready, guys. So let's see. Let's see right now. AMC Trapper. I'm gonna check out his Twitter. AMC_Trapper. Let's see what he's got. You guys follow me on Twitter. We're gonna do a giveaway. We'll do a giveaway right now. AMC Trapper, you want to tweet it out, man? We got to see what kind of followers you got here and get this going. AMC Trapper, 712 followers. I don't know, guys. Trapper, I'm gonna tweet you. I'm gonna tweet the last thing you said out. Let's see what you got. Okay, he's a retweeter. My Trapper dude's a retweeter. Okay. Well, dude's a retweeter for sure. All right, guys, go follow AMC Trapper. Look, it's gonna be easy. I know all of you guys don't have Trapper, don't have Twitter, but we're gonna do an AMC stock giveaway. He wants to do one. Let's get his Twitter followers up right now. He's got some decent followers on Twitter. He's got 712. So let's try to get him up to 750 followers if we can, and he's gonna give away a share of AMC. If not, you absolutely have to follow him on Twitter if you want to win. I don't care if you have to go make a Twitter right now and he's the only person you follow, but you have to follow him because you got to DM him and he's going to send it to you on, I think he said Cash App or Zelle, okay? And, I mean, go buy a share of AMC with it. That's the intentions of it. I want free stock. Yeah, Andrew, I mean, it's going to be, he's going to send, from what I assume, he's going to send you the $34 to buy the share of AMC stock with. So hopefully you do go buy it, but you got to go follow him on Twitter because he's going to need your Cash App or your Zelle or whatever to send it to you. So make sure to do that. Give you guys some time to do that, and then we'll let Nightbot, I'll open up Nightbot